So it's time to do my Fortnightly shop. Let's go. So today we're heading to Woolies, or Woolworths is what it's actually called. Woolworths is Australia's largest supermarket chain. They have no affiliation with the UK-based Woolworths, which closed in 2009. Here in Victoria, you'll find some people still calling it Safeway, and that's because we used to have the US-based Safeway in Victoria, and Woolworths took over those stores in 1985. They kept the Safeway name until about 2008, until they renamed all of their stores. So if someone mentions Safeway to you, they really mean Woolworths. Now I have pretty bad anxiety, so I'm not going to film inside the store. This store was built in around 2000, and it's an older format store, but I actually prefer this one. So what I will do is I'll put all the prices that, for each item on the screen there for you, just so you can compare to your own area. So I thought I'd show you what we actually can get for $220 in Australia here for my Fortnightly shop. Felix is just busy having a quick investigation. He can smell that chicken in there, I think. And I'll show you what I got. So firstly, I got a couple of salads. So I got a Caesar salad and a honey mustard salad kit. I just keep them in the fridge, just nice and easy when I have some meats with it for when I go to work and everything like that. Got some mint and coriander. I'm going to make a Vietnamese chicken salad with that. I've got some spring onions. I've got some broccolini. I've got some asparagus. Just red onion, some capsicum. I only buy capsicum fresh for like salads and everything. Otherwise, I just use frozen. I got strawberries. Strawberries are dirt cheap at the moment, so I got 4 things of those, and usually I eat those for like a dessert. I've got half a thing of cabbage. I've got some marinated olives. I've got an avocado, 2 cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes. Sorry, Kitty Cat thinks everything's for him. So I've got some Scotch fillet pork, and I'll use that for probably a stir fry. I've got some breast fillet chicken, and that would be used for making chicken Kievs. I've got some satay chicken kebabs. These were reduced to clear, so I just put them in the freezer, and I might just have them with some salad or something like that. I've got some fried chicken, and that's just for the freezer. I've got some mandarins for work, and some pink lady apples for work. And then just for snacks, I've got some pistachios and some mixed nuts. I've got a shredded coconut for the pantry. And then if you're low carb, you can buy these super low cal noodles. They're almost 0 carb, so they're a good filler for when you're doing stir fries and everything. Being in Australia, the meat pie is usually a common thing in everyone's freezer. I've gone for a chicken and leek one. I'm gonna live a bit and buy a pizza, even though I do low carb, I still have the odd, cheat day. And then I put some kitty litter for the cats. This is a sawdust based kitty litter, so I think it's just a lot. It just doesn't smell as bad as some of the other ones. I got some refried beans. I got some low carb wraps, and I take those to work, so I'm not eating bread at work. Then I got a shampoo and conditioner that was on sale. I usually keep a stock of maybe 1 or 2 in my drawer, so they'll just be there for storage. I got some ice cream. Again, you can live a little bit, so I brought ice cream. I'm going to probably make some more of my own. Got some sour cream. I brought 3 litres of milk. I already have another 3 litres in the fridge, so that'll be enough for the next 2 weeks. Got some cream, and I got some orange juice. So this one is a cold pressed orange juice, so that means that it hasn't been heat treated, and all the vitamins are still in there. So that is what you can get for $220 in Australia. And how does it compare to you? Now, if you wonder how I stretch out over 2 weeks, I actually shop by the special. So when I'm going shopping and I see something on special that I use, I'll buy more than one and I'll keep that in storage. So for example, I brought some shampoo today. I actually already have another 2 things of shampoo in my cupboard, but it's there for future use, and so on. Also with my meat, I do a meat shop once a month. So with the freezer, so my freezer is full of meat. I like to hunt the reduce and clear items and everything. There are some frozen veggies and everything in there as well, so don't be worried. Don't worry, there is some healthy stuff in there as well. But yeah. So here is the receipt from today. As you can see, $221. And I'll also get a credit for next time I shop or use one of their petrol stations. So I get $20 off using my Everyday Rewards card.